Please, may back to item number 19 of the hearing.
Lordship, when 19 hearings are concluded, I filed my written arguments. Now, respondent is supposed to.
Oh. So,
To file the written argument. Sir,
paper pin.
can prepare.
How long? I'm Premier Leonard CGC seeking some more time to file the written argument. That is now posted after 2 weeks.
Congratulations.
Yes.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Your Lordship. If this matter could come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You're paying for?
I'm for respondent 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
I'm for respondent number 3. Lordship, I'm for the appellant state.
Yes. Any objection?
No objection, Lordship.
On Premier by the respondent
1 and 2, Your Lordship.
1 and 2 seeking a judgment for the day. The same not being objected to by the petitioner, but is adjourned. This is the after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item 18.
Why?
Lordship, I'm praying if this matter may be
Last time
listed.
around we had agreed that this matter will be heard today. Apparently it appears that there is no scope for settlement.
No, Lordship.
It's a revision petition.
Lordship.
It's a revision against an order or a judgment?
Against the judgment, Lordship.
Judgment. On pre-made by the petitioner, but is adjourned. This is after 1 week.
Highly
And
obliged,
the date.
Lordship.
We'll have it on Monday then.
Lordship, if I may pray for Thursday, Lordship, 18th.
It's around 18.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
My lord, I think my senior won't be available on the 3rd week. Let it come after 2 weeks, my lord.
It's an old matter, 2019 matter.
Won't be available, so again will be a problem. We'll have to seek for adjournment on the next date, your lordship.
He can always appear online.
He'll be out of station, your lordship. It will be 2 weeks, my lord.
No, this is a matter of 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 24. Last item. I think for a week's time, Lordship.
A chart.
To file the chart. It's already compiled. We just need to file it, Lordship. 1 week.
Do it by Monday then.
Lordship.
Mr. Step Leonard Counsel for the
Petition.
petitioner has submitted that the chart could not be filed today and has sought for some more time to file the same. Praise along. Let the same be filed within the next date fix. This is matter on 15th.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 20, Your Lordship.
I was asking for time.
I pray this matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Has this matter been heard?
It's heard, Your part heard, Your Lordship.
Hardly heard. What is the matter about?
The petitioner was working as a librarian, Your Lordship. It's a service matter, Your Lordship.
Service matter.
Yes, Lordship.
So we'll take it up next week then. 16th.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why? You suggest any date between 15 and 19?
19, Your Lordship.
on premium by the petitioner seeking accommodation on grounds of personal difficulty of the grounds of personal difficulty. That is adjourned. This is same on 19th.
Hello, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22.
Yes. And
Your Lordship, I let this matter be coming after 2 weeks since the conducting counsel. Senior counsel, he is having part heard matter in the another court, Your Lordship.
No objections, my lord.
that is not an excuse. That is not a valid excuse. And we'll adjourn it. We'll list it on the 16th. 16, okay? On premier petitioner, that is adjourned. This is matter on 16.
Obliged.
Your Honor, I came to mention item number 23. I'm from respondent on number 6.
That has been heard.
No, my lord, it was never. Until the state responded.
I'm on behalf of the petitioner, Your Lordship, Lord Judge.
We'll take it up on the 22nd then. On premier by the respondent, learned counsel for respondent 6, seeking accommodation on grounds of personal difficulty. The same not being objected to by petitioner. That is adjourned. This is same on 22nd.
Lordship, item number 17. Lordship, I pray for some more time to file this.
My lord, the matter has been concluded. Hearing has been concluded. So we have been directed to file our written submission.
Written submission.
So on the last occasion, I also sought for time. I've already handed over my written submission to the court master, my lord,
And,
on behalf of the respondents.
Lordship, I just back because just recently I've completed my mother's death anniversary. I just back, so I just need 2 weeks time for things.
On premier by the learned counsel for the petitioner. That is adjourned. This is still after 2 weeks.
My lord, written submission on behalf of the respondents have been submitted.
This matter, it'll be on record.
My lord.
Have you given him a copy?
My lord, I have not given. I've given to the court master.
Give him a copy.
Obliged.
Tashuthando, learned counsel for the respondent. MECL.
My lord, for AG has advanced an argument on behalf of all the respondents. So one submission was given.
So okay, it's a joint.
My lord, it will complete the entire respondents, my lord, on behalf of all the respondents.
Learned G, appearing for the respondent, has submitted that the written argument on behalf of the said respondent, on behalf of the respondents, have been filed.
My lord.
On supplementary cause list, item number 1.
Lordship, I'm praying if the matter may come up at the end of the board. Learned AG is on legs in court number 4. Highly obliged.
Item number 2.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavits.
Lordship, we pray for some time, Lordship, because Mr. Karwanlang was preparing, but he's been unwell for quite some time. So I'll take over, Lordship, for the time being. So I pray for some time, Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Baski, respondent number 9. We have filed a...
Oh, this is that border route?
Border, exactly, Lordship.
IPVF.
Who has filed the counter?
Only respondent number 9, Lordship, has filed.
Only respondent? All the other respondents have not filed?
Not yet,
Yet to
Lordship.
file, Lordship.
European for Union. You're for 3 to 7.
3 to 7, my lord.
8, no. It is the district council.
It is the district council.
Are you filing your counter?
We are not filing. We rely on whatever is there on record.
Miss Angela Leonard, Senior GA, has submitted that, has sought for some more time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondent 3 to 7, as the same could not be prepared. The respondent number 1 and 2, Union of India, has also sought for accommodation as far as filing of the said counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondent is concerned. Mr. PGK Kanta, Leonard, Senior Counsel. Your Special Counsel, Senior Counsel?
Special Counsel.
Leonard, Special Counsel, appearing for the respondent 8 KHADC, has submitted that no counter affidavit would be filed by this respondent. Accordingly, the parties concerned are directed to file their said counter affidavit within the next date fix.
Much obliged,
Lordship, insofar we are concerned, we'll rely on whatever there is on record. We'll not go on basis on record.
Okay, naturally, if you are not filing a counter, then you will rely on
Yes.
whatever is there. This is a matter of 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
That's okay.
Item number 2.
My lord, in this case, item number 2, my lord, I pray for allowing me to bring on record the petition filed by the respondent number 4 before the district council. My lord.
Mr. Have you read the last order?
My lord. Yes, yes.
I think Mr. Kriam had pointed out some mistake.
Yeah, that is the mistake he has pointed out.
Okay.
What happened, my lord, earlier, we had the impression that district council has passed a common order. Therefore, we filed a single writ petition challenging and implementing all the 7 localities. Now, we came to know that district council passed a separate order. Therefore, they filed the application for striking out. Their name was strike off, and we filed a separate petition. In that first petition, my lord, we annexed the petition filed by another village. Therefore, my lord, in the respondent number 4 here, who is remain as a village, he is a party here. But his petition filed by him before district council, we did not annex in the writ petition. So, Lordship, with Lordship permission, allow me to bring on record by way of addition of affidavit.
But he has not been made a party.
So, but in the pleadings, all
Pleadings will, because my lord, as my friend has submitted on the earlier occasion, they had filed one single writ petition. Now, your lordship will go to the first writ petition. Now the pleadings have become different. Even the respondents, number 4, number 6. So it would be better if my friend withdraws this petition and files afresh. Otherwise, there's going to be utter chaos during the time of argument.
filing the counter.
Because in the first writ petition, 14 respondents. Now they've been cut down to, I think, 5, 6.
My lord, with due respect, my lord, contention would be remain the same. Only the names were struck off. The rest of the annexures are remain the same. impugn on other elections of the earlier High Court order. So instead of, my lord,
But we are looking at the relief sought for.
Yes.
If we have sought for relief from the respondent 4.
Yes, yes. Who is remain a party here?
Who is
He's remain a party.
Who remains a party?
Remain a party.
But Mr. Kriyam would say otherwise, that he is
No.
not, a proper party here.
No, he's still a party. Lordship Gandhi is the cause title. Remain a party.
He's a party, but the pleadings, Lordship, it says that it includes all the respondents 7 to 10. What's been
For that, my lord, it doesn't require to change the entire, withdraw the entire writ petition.
No,
Once it's struck off, my lord, all those respondents 7, 8, 9, 10, it deemed to be struck off. For that matter, my lord, litigants would be, my lord, trouble to withdraw and file a fresh petition.
No,
That would not be necessary.
But if I remember correctly, Mr. Kriyam had expressed his difficulty to file the counter in the light of the affirmance made in the petition.
For example, my lord, we'll see para 6 of the main writ petition. Page 7.
Let me just be clear on this matter. Mr. Sangresu, you have filed a petition arraying all the necessary respondent according to you.
Yes, madam.
Subsequently,
Yes.
some of them have been deleted. In fact, respondent 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10 have been struck off.
Yes, struck off on the application.
You have just done the crossing here in the cross title, but the contents in the petition remains the same.
Yes,
But according to them, in view of the
striking
said respondent being struck off, the pleadings should have been changed.
My lord, in fact, for striking off the party, until unless the prayer is changed, it is not required to withdraw the petition and file afresh.
Yes, Mr. Dingo, you were pointing to some.
Yes, sir, we are pointing out, like, I want to come to page 11, page 6. 7. Page 7, para 6. This is just example, that due to the illegal efforts made by the two elected locality head of respondent number 7 to 8. Now 7 to 8 here in this writ petition.
7 and 8.
Yes, 7 and 8. Now in this writ petition, 7 and 8 have been deleted. Now your lordship will come to para 10, page 11. Also, respondents 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10 have been mentioned. That being agreed with the aforesaid single bench order again in WA number so and so, filed by the said localities, heads of the present respondents number 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Now these respondents again have been, so that is where the difficulty would arise.
I have no difficulty to file, but my lord, it would be considered as a respondent number 4 only, since only respondent number 4 remain here.
But that would not do, Mr.
These are all technical matters,
No,
madam.
see, these are pleadings.
That is true. That is true, madam.
So if you are making a reference to any party or any person, or any situation for that matter, it has to be, it has to be relevant.
In that case, my lord, I have no problem, my lord. If lordship permits me, with those relevant paragraph, my lord, I may be allowed to correct with the registry. Otherwise, it will be delay, my lord. The matter would be get delay.
No, in fact, it'll speed up his case if it's withdrawn and filed immediately. Lordship, page 13 also, we'll see paragraph 13. That, however, the respondent number 4 to 10 had surprisingly filed 7 petitions. So
that is true. That is true. But if lordship permits me with the registry, my lord, that will serve the purpose also. The same thing, my lord. Prayer will be the same thing. Issue remain the same. Only to remove that the serial number, my lord, allowing the petition to withdraw.
Mr. H. Sangresu, learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner, has conceded at the bar that there are some mistakes, some errors which are apparent in the petition in hand upon the striking of the respondents, the original respondents number
4, 5, 7, 8, 9,
7,
and 10, my lord.
8 and 10, wherein the said respondents whose name have been struck off has, however, figured in some of the averments made in this petition. The learned senior counsel would, however, submit that no material changes is required as far as the said respondents are concerned. However, to clarify the matter, the learned senior counsel has submitted that the petitioner may be allowed to make necessary correction by hand in the body of the writ petition, for which the registry may be directed to allow the petitioner to do so. The submission made has not been objected to by the respondents on board, by the other respondents on board. Pray allowed that the petitioner takes necessary steps and the registry is also directed to allow the petitioner to make the necessary correction. In the meantime, the respondents are at liberty to file their counter affidavit.
My lord, before they file, with lordship permission, before they file, allow me to bring on record the complaint petition filed by respondent number 4 on record, and thereafter they can file a counter.
First, they have to give me a copy of all the corrected.
We will. My friend intends to delay the matter, but we will give. We will not suppress any paper to him. We will give any paper.
I think that will, because if I understand correctly, he will just do the, crossing off of certain portion in the like you pointed out, where the name of respondent 4 has appeared, or 8 or 10, whatever, who are no longer necessary parties, it will be struck off.
Then I should get a copy of that receipt to file a counter. Otherwise, we have done the correction.
I will give a. Let us special counsel has pointed out correctly that those I will correct it. In copy, I'll give it to him. Only my prayer, my lord, your lordship, allow me to file to bring on record the complaint petition filed by respondent number 4 on record. Within 2-3 days, I'll file it. Preparation almost finished.
But in what manner would you do that?
But if lordship permits me, then I can bring as annexure. It is not an impugned order. It's part of the annexure only. In the common petition we filed, we annexed the petition filed by another village. But since those villages struck off, therefore allow me to file the petition filed by respondent number 4, who is remain here as a respondent number 4.
So that in effect would amount to amendment of the petition itself.
Well, lordship,
you have to take off something and bring in something.
Would have been for him to just withdraw and.
Now you said some of the annexures herein would be
only one annexure.
Would not be relevant.
Yes.
So you have to take it off.
One annexure.
You have to take it out and
then
insert
put
another one.
Insert another one.
But through affidavit, my lord. That will expedite, in fact, my lord. Otherwise, withdrawing, I have lordship. It depends on lordship discretion.
So here's your case. Another submission made by the learned senior counsel for the petitioner is that he may be allowed to bring on record
the complaint petition filed by respondent number 4.
Respondent number 4 is still
Yes, my friend is appearing.
Complaint petition filed by the respondent 4, which was
not annexed.
which was not part of the annexures
Yes.
filed along with the original writ petition. Pre-allowed.
If you wish.
This is matter to 2 weeks.
But remaining cases, serial number 3 to 5, 9. These are similar matter. Same matters.
Same order.
They can file a they can file a counter.
To file our counter.
Yes.
What? So here.
Same parties.
So
they are here to file counter.
The earlier order is not required to be passed. Only for.
Yes.
Only the first.
For the counter to be filed.
Yes.
Topic 3 to 9.
4 to 9. 4 to 9.
4 to 9.
I'm sorry, 3 to 9. Stand corrected. Serial number 3 to 9. Item number 3 to 9.
Item 3 to 9. On 4 to 9 is
4 to 9. It's 4 to 9.
I'm sorry.
4 to 9.
4 to 9.
Item.
4 to 9. I know on pre-made by the Learned counsel for the respondent. The counter affidavit is allowed to be filed within the next date fix. This is a matter up to 2 weeks.
Item number 3.
application from this time?
Yes, Lordship, I have filed that application for impleading the persons who have been replaced the petitioner, Lordship.
On top of the fact that this is matter of 2018.
Yes, Lordship.
Now we'll go to another round of
now that
of pleadings. Where is your application?
This is miss case number, item number 10. The miss case number is miss case number 121.
121.
121 in item number 10, Lordship. The name of the newly impleaded respondent will be Azizur Rahman. He will be at serial number. He will be respondent number 6 in the main writ petition.
Anybody appearing on his behalf?
Lordship, state is 1, 2, 3, Your Lordship.
Notice has to go.
Lordship, yes.
Only the private respondents. Yes, newly impleaded. Yes, the rest are being represented.
I'm for 1, 2, 3, Your Lordship. 1, 2, 3, no?
1, 2, 3, yes.
Heard Mr. S.A. Sheikh, General Counsel for the petitioner, who has submitted that the petitioner has filed an application to implead the person who has since been appointed as the assistant teacher of the school in his place.
15, 16.
Since the petition could not be since the petition would not be complete without the presence of the said respondent, it is therefore prayed that notice may be allowed to be issued upon the said respondent. Said respondent rate as respondent number 6 herein. Pray allowed that notice be issued, the same returnable within 2 weeks. As far as the respondents number 1, 2, 3 is concerned, Mr. Indistional Learned AAG has submitted that he would be representing the said respondent, who are also arrayed as respondent in the original petition. Similarly, as far as respondent number 4 and 5 are concerned, Mr. Learned Counsel has submitted that no formal notice is required to be issued upon such respondent, as he is accepting notice on their behalf. Have you given the copies?
Yes, Lordship, for this case, I don't think that notice has to go. If the court will implead and register.
Just
I have sent the copy to the private respondent. Yes,
it may just be because later on, you'll come and say that no, you have not received copies, and then it goes again another date.
Yes, I have served.
That in the meantime, notice will be issued, and once the respondent 6 appears, of course, matter will end there.
Lordship, then registry may be directed to correct the cost title, Lordship, in that.
First the application has to be allowed.
Yes.
First the application has to be allowed. The respondent 6 will be issued notice. You will appear. Then the cost title will be corrected. For 2 weeks time.
Item number 10.
This is 10. What about the other?
11, 12, 13 and 14 Lordship. And 5 repetition, we have filed application for
You
it.
file same?
Yes, Lordship.
Similar?
Similar.
Also respondent 6?
No, Lordship. Respondent will be different, Lordship. In item number 11, the respondent will 6, Lordship. The name of the respondent will be different.
Yeah, of course, that will
Yes.
be.
In item number 12, Lordship, the respondent number will be 8, Lordship.
That's in 12.
Item number 12, Lordship. Respondent number 12. Respondent number 8.
Then 13?
Then in 13, respondent number 6, Lordship.
6.
And in 14, the respondent number 7, Lordship.
Then?
In item number 15 and 16, they have not, I was not been replaced, Lordship, because in item number 16, 15 and 16, we are only claiming for the salary, Lordship. Salary, Lordship.
So we'll do one thing then. We'll proceed with the hearing of 15 and 16.
My Lord, since the issue from the same school, Lordship, same school, even if my Lord pass any order, if common order is passed in the same, I am not saying that common order, that will be better, Lordship. Again.
Yes, what do you say, Mr. Shrai?
Lordship, I'll go along with this submission, Your Lordship, because in this in all this matter, Your Lordship.
Even my friend also will not. I had a even that senior advocate Sangrasha also. He also said that let the matter go on along with the others.
He said
Outside the court,
said,
Lordship.
he
Yes.
said to you.
No, we have already concept. We have.
Oh, so to 15, 16, this is matter of 2 weeks.
Along with.
Then miscase, I'll take a step on miscase, Lordship.
Please. Thank you.
Outline.
Second call from supplement course list, item number 1.
Yes, Mr.
My Lord will recollect that this is the second time the petitioner before my Lords.
Mr. Suna,
Yes, my Lord.
first observation. Look at your course title. You have filed this application under which section?
438, my Lord.
Portrait of what?
CRPC.
CRPC. Of which year?
1973.
What happens after 1st July?
1st July, new law, my Lord.
Then?
My Lord, I was under the impression that there no notification from the government.
No, notification has been issued long time ago. I think
Lordship, let me.
the new criminal
Maybe
laws.
my friends not aware, Your Lordship.
The new criminal laws are effective from first. In fact, I read in the newspaper.
Yes, my Lord.
That some cases in Nongpo has been registered under the new act.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
So now we are in the new regime.
My Lord, if I may make a submission. Now, in the new act, the repeal and saving word is there. Now, repeal, this act has been repealed, but the saving word is there. In our understanding, my Lord, what happened is this case has been registered prior to the enforcement of the new act.
When? It was registered on 5th.
It was registered, my Lord.
On 5th.
Under the IPC.
Under the IPC, my Lord.
No.
The old IPC.
Of the old IPC. Now, this is the old law. Now, what happened, my Lord?
Oh, the case?
Yes.
Okay.
Case has been registered in the old. Now, we have filed anticipatory. We are also on the old act, my Lord.
That see now that would be a point of discussion. It may have been registered under the old act, but when it comes to proceedings before court, because now we are bound to take up matters under the new act.
New BNSS.
So if we revert to the old act, that could be an aberration.
The trial, my Lord, in my humble understanding, whatever explanation also has been given when the new act has been enforced, old cases which has been conducted trial in this old act It will proceed under the old act. Registered cases which has been registered under the IPC.
Okay.
Cases will proceed under the IPC law, not on this new act. Only the offence which has been committed after July 2024, then only they will be registered under the new act. Trial will be conducted in the new act.
Yes, that would be valid, but I have no. Is there any official explanation in that regard?
Lordship, let him finish.
No, I'm done. Because I've watched all the interviews also. I have seen
frankly,
explanation, and the law also has been there.
Frankly speaking, I have not really understood
Lordship, in fact,
the process.
The issue which your Lordship has queried also came before the Delhi High Court, your Lordship. Delhi High Court said, no, in view of that, if I'm not mistaken, there is a section 531, your Lordship. So
Yes,
it says, your Lordship. So it will come.
Provision would be the same,
Lordship,
except this section may have been different.
531, your Lordship. So 531 will save, your Lordship, because this is cases registered under the old act. So it will continue, your Lordship, because that saving provision is there.
To amend the sections which
Lordship, let it come tomorrow. I'll just find out that Delhi order.
It would be, you see, it would be an an education for all of us.
Yes.
Because we are, venturing in new areas, new ground. We don't know.
If it can come day after tomorrow, your Lordship, I'll take out all those order passed by the different High Court, your Lordship.
Please.
Friday, my Lord.
I think
it may be pre-Friday, my Lord.
It's incumbent upon the parties to assist the court in this regard. So Friday?
My Lord.
Friday or Thursday?
Thursday I'll be out of state. I have some deal.
We'll take it out on Monday.
Monday 16.
16.
Monday it will be 15.
On premier by the parties, this is matter on 16.
Apply, your Lordship.
Because you see, we are yet to.
Yes, my Lord.
What you said makes sense. But until unless there's a specific,
there is a saving
clause would be there.
531.
So we'll have to,
I have the book, but I have not brought it, your Lordship. Let me assist your Lordship on 16.